Hello, this is Kim doing another proof video on our trade line. Today we have a trade line posting a capital 1, gave a 713 score, age of credit 1.9 years. See here you have a capital 1, $200 credit limit, open date 2020. This is 2021. This is a year old. $200 limit. People asking, how is the score so high on one trade line? Well, this is actually a CPN number. This is one of our CPN apartment packages. You order the CPN tri-merge with a trade line and give a good score, because usually when it's a blank profile like this, one trade line would tend to boost your score pretty high, as you see here with the 700 score here. And that's pretty much it. Again, we're showing our trade lines postings at least 2 or 3 times a month. Right now, we currently have over 400 trade lines. We have launched a new wholesale website called platinumtradelines.com. Go there, check out discounted lines. You can even order on the website. It's platinumtradelines.com. Or get on our list. We have a list we put out twice a month. It's tradelines.biz. Tradelines.biz. Or call us for free consulting, free consultation. We can review your profile and let you know how a trade line may help you, how it may boost your score, how many points you may possibly get. Or if a trade line may not help you. Sometimes trade lines cannot help you. If you have a lot of accounts, multiple accounts, high utilization, a lot of derogatories, sometimes the trade line may not help you. So if you don't want to waste your money, you want free information how a trade line can help you, call us. Again, it's totally free review, free consultation. It's 202-213-2218. This particular profile here is used to get apartments. We have a phenomenal CPN apartment package that we do, about 7-8 profiles a month, which gives you, as you see here, about a 700 credit score. It's a CPN combined with a trade line. With this score, you can qualify for most apartments and houses. So call for details on this as well. CPN apartment package, or go to rentfast.org. That's rentfast.org for more information there. Or call us again for free information about this CPN apartment package. We're still doing a credit repair. But again, call for any details, anything related to credit. We give free feedback, free information, free consulting. It's all free. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for updates. Have a great day.